one of our most favorite things at home. Spicy, crispy, creamy, fresh. Ay, ano ba to? Homemade tacos. Let's start cooking. So we start off with ground beef. So hindi ko inuuna yung gisa, inuuna ko yung pag-sear ng aking beef. Let it brown before mixing it up again and letting it brown until the whole batch is cooked. So I'm not adding any oil to this because you notice immediately in a few minutes, lumabas na, nag-render na yung fat galing sa ating beef. And now I will add my spices. So I have here my paprika, cumin, and oregano. I will also season with salt. Now I will add my garlic, onions, diced tomato, diced red bell pepper, and tomato paste. I'm not using tomato sauce here because I don't want the beef to be watery or saucy. Let's just mix to combine everything properly. Saute the vegetables as well. I will also add a bit of sugar to balance the flavor and also to help caramelizing my meat as well, di ba? And a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, yan. A little bit of tanginess. And guys, don't forget to check out my cookbooks, Simpol Kitchen Secrets, Baking Simple, and Simpol 101. They're all available online through Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines, and of course on Amazon if you live abroad. And I will just season with a little bit more salt, black pepper, and we are done. So we are making our sour cream. Pwede naman bumili ng ready-made sour cream. But in case you don't have, all you need is all-purpose cream and lemon juice or lime juice. Just combine and you will see it will curdle. Look, it's thickened immediately. Season with salt immediately. My sour cream is ready. And you can also add black pepper if you want. Now, let's make our salsa or our pico de gallo. So, I will just combine minced onions, minced tomatoes, minced cucumbers for a little bit more texture, chopped cilantro, and you can use jalapenos or siling pangsigang lang yung gamit ko. Yan. Season with salt, black pepper, and some lemon or lime juice. I will start. So you can just like make a setup sa inyong mga tables. Assemble your own taco. Sour cream. So all the flavors will come together in each bite. Our salsa and some cheese. Perfect for a movie night, di ba? So perfect. So this is a great weekend recipe you can do for movie night with your family. Try this at home. Homemade tacos, simple!